Okay, looks like they're setting up for something. Or mostly set up for it. A couple Army Jeeps. Turbojet. Stairs to the second floor. It's their storage room, I guess, yeah. Water and stuff there, tables, etc. Drinks, water, 75 cents, that's not bad. Ooh, we got cherry Coke for $1, okay. Reasonable. Ooh, nutty burrs. Okay. Section of the engine, turbine engine. Turbine right there. 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 That's cool. Engine. Allison V1710. Okay. Here we are in Mansfield. 20, that's maps. Let's see, Mansfield, down here. And then over here to Dayton. 3 is probably Air Force Museum. Lancaster. Warren County. Over here, Cleveland. Port Clinton, you got, yeah. Okay.
Fire range. And so I
While they're
pull
working
off
on.
my camera off and start taking pictures. All of a sudden I'm facing his nose.
Just the
My comment is
shell of it.
trigger fella.
One of the wings.
Well, he was lining up on me. So we don't have the signs with this, but this isn't supposed to exist.
Uh-huh.
This is one of the 17 Goodyear ducks that were built as amphibians. This one was built in 1947.
Okay.
That was thought to be the only survivor of the 19 amphibians that they built. We found this, 3 other fuselages, 3 sets of wings, and an engine and other parts in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We got them in June.
Uh-huh.
This is the 3rd duck built. It's the first production duck.
Wow.
The reason we know that's maker's plates on the other side.
Yeah.
Bill told me at a retarees meeting about you guys getting these. This is really cool.
Yeah, I mean, that was supposed to have been turned into aluminum ingots. But there she is.
Wow.
We were going to try to make 2 complete aircraft.
Okay.
Out of what we've got. That'll be down the road. Since we're working on the 4 aircraft over there right now, and after one of those comes out, we have a Cessna 02 in storage that is next in line to be restored.
Oh, that'll be neat.
It's in pieces in our storage building over there. Yeah, our planes came in trucks. Those came in hidden in a box truck.
Wow. And you guys are really fortunate to get some of these aircraft because they're just not around.
Yeah, I mean, we are super lucky.
Cutlass,
Yeah.
they're just not around.
Well, you know about Walter Saplata.
I had just finished this book now.
The Cutlass is Saplata's.
That's what I thought.
And so is the F-84 and the H-19 is out of Saplata's collection.
This book is, it's just crazy. It's amazing.
Well, we actually posted early on these new aircraft on
This is the hallway of Valor. Some of their patches and stuff. SR-71 up there. Older model planes, like the bi-wing and stuff. Red Baron. The Sopwith, which they had down in Dayton. Is that Chet's here? Logbook. Spear St. Louis. Valor medals. Purple Heart. Distinguished Flying Cross. Bronze Star. Air Medal. Silver Star. Others. German uniforms. Rosie the Riveter. Army Navy flag. I don't think I've seen Army Navy flag together. Usually one or the other, but not both. Pearl Harbor. Ones that perished. Henderson, William, Walter. Right there. Yes, Navy. Pearl Harbor. Down to 21%. Okay. That's it. Here we go. uniforms and stuff like that. Red tail. Tuskegee. Just do not touch, okay. I'll do that side when I come around. Playing cards and stuff like that. Women. Bomber jackets. Radio receiver. Gun slate. It's a B-17. Trying to go slow. You always have to come and visit. I wonder if that was in relation to Gallup Church, who recently passed. Stahl. I think his name is out there. That's how I spelled it. Yeah, Richard Stahl. The German Navy flag. It's a sports association pendant. Okay. Registered drinking water. Some helmets. No, nothing. From Schultz. A few of them from that show were actually veterans. They were in the war. Women in the service. Some of their clothing. Helmets and such. And here we are back to the front.